Yehovah Eloheinu Svaot, Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. Please fill me with the Ruach HaKodesh, that I may speak your written words with boldness to those who listen. I ask all these things in Yeshua HaMashiach's name. Amen. We'll start with the Shema. Listen and obey. Children of Yehovah, pay careful attention and respond. Yehovah is our power and authority. Yehovah works in unity with himself, and you shall act upon your love to Yehovah with your power and authority, with your thoughts and mind, with your entire body, and with all the muchness that you have. Yod, He, Vav, He. Hand, behold, nail, behold. Numbers chapter 2. Yehovah said to Moshe and Aaron, the people of Israel are to set up camp by the clans, each man with his own banner and under his clan symbol. They are to camp around the tent of meeting, but at a distance. Those camping on the east side toward the sunrise are to be under the banner of the camp of Yehuda. They are to camp according to companies. By tribe and leader, they are as follows: tribe, chief, and number. Yehuda, Nashon, the son of Amminadab, 74,600. Yisachar, Netanel, the son of Zuar, 54,400. Zebulun, Eliab, the son of Helon, 57,400. The total being 186,400. This is the group to set out first. Those camping on the south are to be under the banner of the camp of Reuben. They are to camp according to companies. By tribe and leader, they are as follows: tribe, chief, number. Reuben, Elitzur, the son of Shadur, 46,500. Shimon, Shlumiel, the son of Zurshaddai, 59,300. Gad, Eliasaph, the son of Reuel, 45,650. The total being 151,450. This is the group to set out second. Then the tent of meeting with the camp of the Levi'im will set out, with the other camps in front and behind. They will go in the same order as their camps are set up. Each man will go forward in his position under his banner. Those camping on the west are to be under the banner of the camp of Ephraim. These are to camp according to companies. By tribe and leader, they are as follows: by tribe, chief, and number. Ephraim, Elishama, the son of Ammuadad, Emihud, 40,500. Menashe, Gamaliel, the son of Pedzur, 32,200. Benjamin, Evid, the son of Gidni, 35,400. Total of 108,100. This group is to set out third. Those camping on the north are to be under the banner of the camp of Dan. They are to camp according to companies. By tribe and leader, they are as follows: tribe, chief, and number. Dan, Achazir, the son of Amishadi, 62,700. Asher, Pegiel, the son of Ochran, 41,500. Naphtali, Achra, the son of Anan, 53,400. Total, 157,600. This is the group to set out last with their banners. These are the ones counted from the people of Israel's clans. The total number recorded in the camps, company by company, was 603,550. But as Yehovah ordered Moshe, the Levi'im were not counted with the rest of Israel. The people of Israel did everything Yehovah had ordered Moshe. They set up camp under their banners, and they set out, each according to his family and clan. How can we learn to love our Creator after reading this short chapter, Numbers chapter 2? We can listen to the written words of Yehovah, share the written words of Yehovah with his children. Know that in the days of Moshe, all the clans camped together by tribe, surrounding the tent of meeting. Know that each tribe had a unique banner. How can we love others as Yeshua loves us? We can share the written words of Yehova with his children. Bear one another's burdens. We can read the written words of Yehova with boldness to those who will listen. Produce spiritual fruit, love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, humility, and self-control. We'll end with the Aaronic blessing, using the name. Yehova will kneel before you presenting gifts, and he will guard you with a hedge of protection. Yehova will illuminate the wholeness of his being towards you, bringing order, and he will provide you with love, sustenance, and friendship. Yehova will lift up the wholeness of his being and look upon you and will set in place all you need to be whole and complete. Yavirachacha Yehova, vayishmaricha Yair, Yehova panav elecha, vechunicha yisa, Yehova panav elecha, veyisem lecha shalom. May Yehova bless you and keep you. May Yehova make his face shine on you and show you his favor. May Yehova lift up his face toward you and give you peace.